Wedding custom diamond painting for DIYMOON in 61 by 40 cm rounds. We start with fire opal that are placed on the strategic areas on her headdress. So this would be on the headdress around her bun and also in some areas around her hair where there should be some jewels. We also added electric diamonds for the rings on their fingers. For version 2 of this diamond painting, we now sprinkle lightning diamonds on her veil. So simply give this veil a nice glisten, a nice sparkle, and sprinkle it along, going with a little bit less as you move down to the bottom of the veil.